Yo, how's everybody doing today? Today we're going to go over my trade and kind of go over some swing trading thoughts. So with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, today's trade was TNXP, and I said we're going to get into some swing trading talk because I had a guy come to me today, and you may know who you are if you watch my channel, and ask me about swing trading. I do teach some swing trading, but this would have been a horrible swing trade to make based on news. But this was a great one to run on today. There was momentum, there was volume, as you can see here. Not a ton of volume, but still a good little chunk of volume in the morning, especially pre-market. I really like that. It started fading down, so this can be used as a support. It may hit this and bounce off, um, but it may just crush through it. This is just a mini support that I would see if it's going to test. But as you can see, this one was up, and if you guys have one of my strategies that's in my course pre-market, not going to say what it is, but this one would have worked absolutely perfectly. So with that being said, this one jumped up. I did not jump into a pre-market with my strategy. I actually waited, even though I really should have. I should have followed my own strategy there. Again, I make mistakes myself still, but it jumped up a little bit. Bought in at the sell-off on this red candle, mainly in here, because you see pre-market kind of tested there and just kept bouncing. Then it did finally break it, and I thought, we're going to see it in here. We're going to see if it's going to hold. This is really my risk. And then it just took off, and I ended up selling into this. I didn't even wait to sell into here. I could have obviously got it to 960, but instead I was just taking profits at that 860 level, and that's a good chunk of profit. 685 to 860. Yeah, so I made good chunks of profit on this one today. If you guys missed this play, DM me. Let's get started. I gotta teach you guys how to find these. That's what I do in my course. I teach you how to find them, how to set it up, how to plan it, and how to profit off of them. And it's four main big steps. There's three things that go into every stock that I trade, of course. There's a car outside my unit that's obviously kind of annoying to me. The phone's going off, of course, like normal. But swing trade. I had a guy ask me about the swing trade. Why am I not swing trading it? And this is really why. As you see, it ran so far today that it started downtrending. Once it makes this lower high, it's usually not a good sign. So yes, it started to make a high again, and then it gets lower than this. If it would have went farther than this 9.6, it would have been, or got to 9.6 double top, it still would have probably been a short. But if it would have broke up in here, it would have been a great trade to just kind of momentum trade and carry on. But this is not a great swing trade. I hope he sold out of it, the guy that told me to swing trade it. Nothing against him whatsoever. He's trying to learn swing trading, so I understand it completely. But TNXP, I'm just going to write it down here. But it's simple stuff to kind of find. Let's go to SPY today. Whoa, I don't know what it just did. It's actually up today, so that actually does help TNXP a lot, keeping the market up. We just had a little bit of a spike here. We're going to see if it's actually going to test support or resistance technically now. If it gets to that 730 level, if it can get up in there and test, but right now it's struggling. Oh, there it just broke it. And the $7 level is really the whole dollar levels, guys, is usually the big one. $7 or whole dollar levels, and then 50-cent levels are usually big numbers for stocks to get over. So this one may run a little bit here. Doesn't look like it's got any news here real lately. Actually, yeah, it does. 14, yeah, just a few minutes ago, it just got news. So that's why I'm not good military time, guys. So that's why I kind of skipped over that. But see, that's a mental error on my own part. I do make errors, guys. I do take losses sometimes, and I'm just able to come back from it and end my day green. Don't get me wrong, guys. I've had red days, and if you go back in my channel in the past, you can see that I've had red days. So with that being said, I'm going to keep this video pretty short. You saw what I did there and why I did things there. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel and helps me reach out to more people. This one's possibly going to pop up right here and break this 720 level, depending on what walls pop up at that 720 or right before it. 718, it looks like there's a little wall at 2,000 shares. That doesn't technically, I don't technically call that a wall, except for there's very little volume right now. So, but now we have some people trying to buy in at that 710 level. So with that being said, again, thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you guys want to know when I upload, hit that notification bell, and we will be good. So I'll see you guys in the next video.